Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I thought I would do an apartment tour video. So just a little bit of background. I live in a studio apartment that I rent on my own. Yeah, it's a studio, so it's just one single room, one space. So there isn't even a designated bedroom or living room. It's just one big space that everything goes in. There's no dividing walls or doors or anything like that. And if you want me to go into more detail on the pros and cons of studio living and how I live minimally and things like that, then please let me know down in the comments, and then I can do a video like that in the future at another time. But for now, here is the apartment tour. Enjoy! So when you first walk into the condo and you look up, you see right ahead the main space. It is the kitchen area. As you can see, the ceilings are very, very high. I believe they're 12 feet since I'm on the top floor. And to the left here, there are 4 sliding white doors that hide all of my junk, because when you live in a studio, where else are you going to hide all of your junk? You've got to have a place to store it, right? So then we have this little stool here, which is actually originally from children's IKEA. It's actually my brother's from way back in the day when we were kids. As you can see, he has drawn his initials in marker on there. It's just like a little cow. And then I have my everyday bag, which is a Louis Vuitton Turin PM. It is a dupe. Then to the right, you have this shoe rack. So I actually found this dumpster diving. Someone was just getting rid of it, and it was in pristine condition, and it even came with a tray as well, like a shoe tray, but I think it's originally from Walmart. So here is another view of the entrance area. So there you have the doors, the stool. The door is this chestnut brown color. It doesn't really match the rest of the wood in the condo, but it is what it is. Over here, you just have the laundry room and then the bathroom. The laundry room is more like a laundry closet, as it is just literally, it just stores the laundry machine and dryer. So hanging on the laundry room doorknob here, I just have this cute little bunny charm. It's like a Chinese zodiac inspired charm. And it's really ironic because I'm actually born in the year of the rooster, but I collect rabbit merchandise. And the reason why that's ironic is because apparently the rabbit is the arch nemesis of the rooster, but anyways. And so there's just the washer and dryer stacked inside, which is super, super convenient. And yeah, so I just collect bunny things because my loved ones always say I'm like a bunny. So yeah, that's why that's there. Over here, you just have these 2 mirrored sliding doors that lead to my actual personal closet. So that stores all of my summer, winter, and bathing suits and clothes and just everything wearable I have. It fits into that tiny closet there. And yeah, it's pretty hard to pare things down, but you get used to it living in a small space. And then when you go forward here, it leads to the bathroom. Oh my goodness, that towel looks so dirty on camera. I'm sorry, you guys. So it is a Juicy Couture towel. It's from Marshall's. And then the floor is just this gray tile, and there's like a little rug there from IKEA. There is a tub, and this shower curtain is a white marble one. It's actually from Dollarama. And yeah, so just spanning around this way, there is the toilet. And I have this little rose gold bin on the top there. It's also from Dollarama. It houses the toilet paper rolls and this cute little makeup remover thing I got that has these little pugs on it, which I just thought was super cute. So I just keep that there. And then spanning around here, you see on the bathroom counter, it is a little bit small, but it does the trick. I have soap, a Jo Malone candle, some skincare essentials, and yeah, there's like a honeycomb backsplash, like hexagonal. The counter in here is dark brown, which once again does not match the rest of the wood in the condo. Very strange choice, but it is what it is. So just spanning around this view of the bathroom now. And now we're gonna head out this corridor into the main area. So first up, we have the kitchen area. This kitchen is extremely high because I am on the top floor of my building. So everything is just very, very high. It's about 12 feet high. It's great if you're tall, but if you're super short like me, then you need ladders to survive, which you can see in the far corner there, my ladder collection. Up here is just some cups that I got from IKEA. And then I have my soaps from HomeSense and the Umbra dish soap dispenser also from HomeSense. There's just a cheap kettle and then a porter mug from Chapters, and the drying mat is also from HomeSense. And then there's like this large pole here, this large column, which I really hate because it's already such a tight space and it's just taking up more space. And then you just have my rice corner here with my big barrel of rice, my rice cooker, and my big rice bag because I'm Asian. And then ladder central because I'm a hobbit. This is my quote-unquote dining room. In other words, just literally a table, which is actually technically a desk from IKEA, some cheap chairs from IKEA, and the little pad thing, the round thing, is from Shein, and then the candle is from HomeSense, and the flowers are from Dollarama. And then spanning around is the bedroom area. There is my pride and joy, my beloved Hemnes Vanity. I like to keep things very minimal and clean, as you can see. I absolutely cannot stand clutter. And then there's just a little faux fur throw on top of the stool. This is the bed. I got this bed frame and the sheets and the covers all from Amazon. Actually, everything you see here pretty much is from Amazon except the throw pillows are from IKEA and Papyrus. And then the throw blanket is actually from Dollarama. I'm realizing I get a lot of things from Dollarama through doing this video. And then there's just my sweet little babies that hang out there. Spanning around this corner here is just a standing mirror from Jisk, my night table with my alarm clock, which is actually considered vintage now because it has an iPod Nano dock that I still use every day. Here is my TV stand. I believe it's called the Calyx from IKEA. My ugly wire area here, followed by my desk. And then there's Wilfred, the sweet sad dog, my new baby. He just chills there on my desk. So that's it for my brief, tiny little studio apartment tour, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!